Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Online Grocery App Backend Node API inside we need to today create here the user order list, and then after we need to create here the order details. API we need to develop here today. Two API we need to develop. First of all we need to write down here the app dot post and to create here the my order list. User place order, need to get here the list, write down here the my order, and to write down here the request and response object need to create here, and then after we need to use here the function operators need to use here, and we need to write down here first of all the print here the helper dot logs, and to request body we need to print here, and now need to save this request object inside this request body, need to save here, and then after we need to write down here the check here the user access tokens need to verify, if valid then we need to get here the user details, write down here the request place headers, and then after we need to set here the response object, and to return here the user object need to get here, if you not user here valid need to fire the response, the invalid unauthorized access need to fire errors, and to use here the functions operators. Now need to check here the db inside, need to write down here the one query, need to open my SQL inside, and need to go inside the glossary app and to select my orders, and I need to place here the orders, and now need to go inside the SQLs and need to needs here the select query, need to use these years copy years, and now need to paste these years and to here something, and to create here the alias body this years and paste this here, one by one all place give here, and now needs here the address id and user id, type date, now need to write here the body specific users need to find out here the login user data we need to get, that's why I need to write down here the user id and check if, and check here the status is yours, and we'll pass here paste object, user object dot user id, and return two callback parameters, first one is errors and second one is get here the result, and use here the function operators to write down here, and to write down here the if conditions errors need to get here the we need to throw helper throw http errors, HTML errors, and to write down first parameter are the errors, second are the response, and returns these here functions. No any execution. The next write down here if gets here the one, and to set here return here the now need to save this here, and now need to connect with the cards details needs here. That's why I need to use here the inner join. Here the another tables need to connect with the card details. Tables need to connect. Copy this here. Write down here the CD. Write down here one methods with the pipe that ID dot card ID and 0, and to find this card ID. This is the inner join square. You need to write down here and need to get this here the quantities where you need to get here. Now need to quantity here the open this and SQLs like query need to here the product ID quantity need to set this here, and now need to next tables are need to join here. First of all need to create another tables need to join here in join product details tables need to use here. Use this here, and now need to paste this here. And on joins need to join here. Is equal. Now need to set here the details needs some informations need to use here the query select and to needs here the informations MC and to write down from here the group con use these column names. Here the separator. Comma. Alias name. Names. And same as we need to write down the and to write down here the image tables we need here. Go inside the image details. Copy this here and we need to paste this here. Image ID, IMID, product ID. Set this here and same as we need to this here and give it the image name. Last write down say suppose need to concat with our comments. Need to needs here. First of all need to go here and we need to functions. Here and we need to paste this here the details inside to and to use separators. Now need to set this here the all informations are the done here set here to return this response. This API are the done and to call this API here and to check this here how to work. Now need to restart this node server here. Node.app here to restart this server and now need to open here the postman and need to fire this API for my cards and first of all need to find out here the details inside to need here tokens here and now postmans are the opening and with to now need to go class APIs and to write down here the my order this here and now need to set this here the and save as. So now need to do this, okay, at the postmans, and now need to go here and to as here already set at these tokens here, and now this here data, and now need to check this here result. First ones we need to get this record order ID, we need to get here. This is the that here the multiples, we need to get this here. Need to fix first of all the not give here the on to here. Is and same. Now need to restart this API and to get my list here. All again. Now need to fix this here the comma separators spacing, and this is need to my created orders list need to get here, and with payment status all informations need to get here, and this is the name by ordering names need to set this here. So all set here. Now need to create here the my orders list API, need to my order details API need to create here specific one orders all informations need to get here the set the data. See dot here API is this here. Write down check and to pass here the request object and to check here the order ID and yes and okay. So now need to this here and check this format this here now, and we add down see the app need to set here mark and request object ID at this here. Now need to check and more than 0 else what down here give here the here order parts it's this here. Now need to unuse need to remove here the no needs node joins here. product ID. Maybe you need to here. Now inside now need to set this all informations are things. Now need to create here the another query. You need to write down here. Need to use here the my cards. Need this API. This here is all KPI and this here. Now need to create here cards and need to configure. Now need to write down Nodejs. Here. Write down here. And need to use the paste this. Write down your informations need to configure here. What was here the one by one question marks well. Mark. Now need to here. It's no need. Now need to find out here question mark. Need to once needs here the order ID and ends user ID. To write down here the first question mark user ID. Order ID checked user ID, and now need to set this here the write down here the 0 and to cart list. This ones need to set this here and need to run here the here. Save this here and it will get here the user details API are the done here. Need to call this here. Now need to check working or not. Need to confirms that our database. Now need to set this here. Just this here items informations. Start this node server and to go postmans here. Now need to and order details, my order details, set years and past year body, order ID, and to set here order names. Now need to call this API and check, get here the server internal errors, check line number 1035, let the gets here the errors. Got the unique that's why here the click with the offer details and get to information conflict. Need to get this errors. Now need to change this here it's here like 45 here. Now need to this here start this node app, and now need to again fire this API and to fire image. We need to now need to now need to not work. Again that here the same error to pull this. I have find out the issue not right. I need to get this error here. Fix this, and now need to restart this node server and to check against this API calling here, and to get here the same error. There's is orders. Issue. Turn. Now need to set this here. Now need to find out the issue that here modified, that's why not working. Needs here that now need to start this here the API node server and to test against the Postman API and this here. Now need to get this all orders details, need to get here, and this information need to get the related information need to real time, not the place order time need to get here. And now need to check another multiples. Now need to get here orders value first order, then after second orders get this here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.